All right, everybody. It is Christmas time. I mean Halloween time or Christmas. We have a Christmas tree up this year. Skeleton, stocking. Want to show you guys what I'm working on this year. Our theme for this year is none other than Krampus. I want to show you guys this Frankenstein looking thing I'm making. It's probably 7.5, 8 feet tall. All my stuff is PVC pipe. Got a rebar going in the ground. I'm going to move it up to the front. Rebar into the ground into a 3-way splitter. I'm going to probably move this out further. Another leg going up to a 4-way adapter, a 90. And then I got a 90 at the top. You can't really see it, them heads are in the way. Then I got two 45s. I got a 90 right here for holding onto the head, and then I got another 4-way adapter here for the arms. So I have a 4-way adapter going to the back to make his hump back, his neck go up a little bit. 4-way adapter for the arms. Hope that makes sense. I think he's gonna look good. Zip tied a couple of heads to the back because he is a hunchback Krampus. There's a good side view. Also zip tied, as you can see, a skeleton in the center to add some filler. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this leg. Probably just let it dangle. That's it for now. Alright, day 2. I'm losing daylight here. Once I put this up, my wife and daughter said it was too small, so I had to make it a little bit taller. Krampus is now about 10 feet tall. I'm going to show you guys what I was doing with the body. I took a Halloween snowman decoration, put it at the bottom. I'm going to zip tie that to the PVC pipe. For the body, I have a skeleton going up, and then I have half of a skeleton going down just to fill out the body. The head that you see there looking backwards is the back of a mannequin head. The face is the other way. And then I have the hands that I'm going to dress up. I don't have the hand on that just yet. But again, all this is, if you look at my other video I have, it's just a PVC pipe coming up to the side of this entrance arbor. I'll shoot it from this side so you can get a better view. You can see, you can't even see the head on there. I haven't put the mask on just yet. And I'm going to just dress it with this black covering. This will all be covered. It'll look good. I'm going to go ahead and just light it up to make it look cool at night. The hat is red, so it'll be, I don't know, I'll just throw some different coloring in there. But this is where I'm at right now. I will show you what it looks like later. But yeah, there's Frosty. It's going to be part of my Krampus. Creepy looking thing. That's it for now. Alright, nighttime is here. I am done with Krampus, and I think he turned out pretty good. Although he is not the typical Krampus outfit, there's the black tarp that I put around him. A little bit of white gunk. Body, you can see the bones. Face. Got some chains. Just a bunch of stuff hanging from him. Looks pretty good. I think it turned out really good. Back up so you can see him. Alright, testing out the fog machine. I think overall Krampus turned out really good. That's all I got.